Hello kids. So previously we learned degrees of comparison. So in this I added 4 more which are really very important in the down from 21 to 24. Once check them. So what are these positive, comparative and superlative? Why do we use this? So positive degree, it's an adjectives. All these are adjectives only. These adjectives we use to describe a noun. Okay, so if we tell about a thing, what the state is there, how the quality is there, simple description, then we use the positive degree of comparison. So we can just tell about something. So about a book, about a man, big book. So no comparison is there. So we simply say a big book, a small tree, little money. In this way we use the positive word, the positive degree word of adjective in the form of the sentences. Then where to use this comparative form of degree of comparison? So let us see that. Now here if you observe the sentences, Ramu is taller than Ravi, Sita speaks better than Rani, mango tree is bigger than the banana tree. So if you observe here, the comparison is between two members, two things or something. So when the comparison is there taking only two things or two persons at a time, then we use the comparative form of degree like taller, better, bigger, smaller, whatever it be, which is ending with er, and it is followed by than. Can you see? Taller than, better than, bigger than. Means when than is there, you want to use er form. Means the second form of comparison, degrees of comparison, while writing the adjectives or comparative degrees. So can you see that? Ramu and Ravi, two things, two persons, whatever it might be. So we want to use the comparative form taller than, better than, bigger than. So when we have comparison, than is compulsory. Now if you observe the last one, rose is more beautiful than the jasmine flower. So for beautiful we can't use beautifuler or beautifulest. We use more and most in front of the degrees of comparison to compare the things which doesn't have er and est. So rose is more beautiful than. Here also you can observe that than is followed by the beautiful and it has more in front of it. So more beautiful, for comparison we use more beautiful than. So for every word which doesn't have er and est, such words will have more in front of them and also followed by the than. Rose is more beautiful than the jasmine flower. Now if you go with the superlatives. So Ramu is the tallest boy in the class. So est words, the tallest. You can observe that it is among all boys in the class. So he is the tallest boy in the class. We are comparing with many people here. Rose is the most beautiful flower among all the flowers. So here also we are comparing with all the flowers. She is the best among all the, Sita is the best among all the students of the class. So here we are comparing Sita with all the students of the class. So when comparing with all and saying, then we want to use the superlative degree. Tallest, and for that most beautiful. Previously we used for comparison more beautiful. Here we want to use most beautiful. For superlative means if we comparing with many of them, we want to use most beautiful. And also one more thing which we want to remember is, it is in front of that we want to use the. You can observe that the tallest, the most beautiful, the best. So the is the word which is used for the superlative. So if I say Ramu is the dash boy in the class, I can say smartest. Is the smartest boy, is the biggest boy, is the shortest boy. So I want to use the superlative form when the is there. So the blank. Then I want to use the est form of words or the word starting with most. So while using the superlative degree, est or most is used, and also the will be there in front of the superlative word while doing the comparison of the adjectives. So degrees of comparison. So we use the adjectives, while comparison, the superlative, is the one which we use among all the things when comparing with all. So positive for normal comparison without taking anything, and comparative is when taken two things, and superlative is taken with many things at a time. So if you see these words, the degrees of comparison of these words, some of the adjectives, faithful, we can use more faithful and most faithful. We cannot use ER and EST. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious and most industrious. Courageous, more courageous and most courageous. Active, more active, most active. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Careful, more careful, most careful. Cunning, more cunning, most cunning. Difficult, more difficult and most difficult. Famous, more famous and most famous. Proper, more proper, most proper. Popular, more popular, most popular. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. So such words which cannot be written in ER and EST. So while just by reading that words we can understand that we cannot use ER and EST with these words. So such words whatever are there we can add more and most while comparison. And remember that when it is comparison between two things, you want to use the more beautiful than, more faithful than, more industrious than. In this way, at the ending you want to use than, THAN, than. You can say more colorful than, more cunning than, more difficult than. So than, when comparing between two things, you want to use more and than. Now if you go for the superlatives, we want to start with the most beautiful, the most faithful, the most industrious, the most dangerous, the most famous, the most splendid, the most popular. So in this way we want to use the in front. So be careful while using the degrees of comparison, how to use than, the, how, when to use more and most, you must remember.